How to save progress in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device. Start by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the game menu, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Connect Account. Tap on Change and you will see options for Google Play and Link Account. Select the Google Play button to link your game with your Google account. If you want to save progress using an ID and password, tap on the link button, then choose the use ID to link account option. Once your account is linked, your game progress will automatically sync to the cloud. This ensures that if you switch devices, reinstall the game, or experience device issues, all your progress remains safe and secure. Now you know how to save progress in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.